Okay, guys, so I'm back. We're back. So, okay, we got everything plugged up. There's that Apple IIe computer that we're going to restore, and got everything back installed, plugged everything back up, and now we're going to see if we can get some magic to work. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Actually, I can't do that now, but so let's turn it on. Gotta turn it on the back. Okay. Oh, okay. We get something. Okay, let's turn the monitor on. Now, I'm not noticing any type of lights from this disk drive, but we got an image. We have an image. Let me see if I can fix this tracking. Some of these older monitors, they had like tracking where you could kind of fix the monitor, but this one doesn't seem to be getting any better. So I think maybe the monitor might be bad. So we're gonna probably have to tell the customer we might need to get another monitor. And I don't notice any of these lights flashing because I do have an Apple floppy here, if anyone remembers this. And it's unable to load ProDOS. I'm not getting any type of light. So we're gonna see what else we need to change, but this is just some of the fun things we like to do here at Computers Plus. So if you have an old computer, something that you want to bring back to life, bring it to Computers Plus, and we can put it back to life. Thanks, guys.